You know you should.
What's up YouTube, this your boy Sleepy 6 coming at you. So on this episode we're about to show you a before and after. I got a couple shots of me doing drive-bys and rolling with my stock V6 Challenger. So I'm gonna show you what's the difference between the sounds, and you'll see a little speed difference, of course. So we're gonna show how to make this thing easy, like I always say, and get this thing popping. That's my cameraman. I'll never pay him, but hey, he right there. So just let you know, we're gonna get in there, and we're gonna try to hit a couple spots. We try to stay relevant to like where we was. So catch y'all on this clip. Alright, this is a cold start right here. Sound real good. We're here at the backdrop scene, where I call it. It's a nice spot to record. So this is basically the rail. I'm gonna show you the rails, what it sounds like from the engine view, and also what it sounds like in the back. So, all right. So I want you to like hit the gas, like room it. All right. Go ahead. That's what it sounds like. Like ease up on it, like just slightly press on it. Yeah. Alright. That's what it sounds like from the back. That's what it sounds like from the back. Alright. Now press it from front. Alright, so that's the engine. There's the engine noise right there. Alright. Pop the hood. Yeah, alright. So that's what it sounds like under the hey, we have it pop open. Alright. Go ahead. Woo! I hope y'all can see that the air come out there. So very nice. that's the difference from the old to the stock. So from the old not being supercharged to being supercharged, the different sounds.